So I'm going to quickly show you how I got to achieve this particular design here. Okay, so what I did was just quite simple. So I will be fast about this video. If you watch my introduction to Pixel Lab, how to use Pixel Lab, you're supposed to know how to create this particular design here. So what I did first was I already had these resources kept somewhere. So these are my resources. All right, so these are my resources. I use this and I use this. Okay, so that's by the way. So let me just load the design I did for for us to be fast on this video. So this is the design I did here. And all right, so what I need to do is to hide everything so that I'll show you bit by bit how I got to achieve everything. Okay, so let me quickly hide everything. All right, so first thing first, I imported my background by clicking on this plus from gallery because it's something outside the application. That's why I'm importing it. Then you click on this, then you can maybe crop it if you want to, or you can just hit OK and drag it to fill the space. Okay, you're going to drag it to fill the space. Okay, so when you have gotten the actual size you want, you adjust it the way you want and you hit OK. So let me just delete this and show you the background. Okay, so the background is here. Then what I did next was just simple again. I imported my picture from outside again because these are the two elements I got outside this application. So I went to import again from gallery and I brought in my picture. Okay, and this is how to import picture. So the picture I'm using here is I already prepared the picture and I've removed the background. So it should be somewhere around. I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to share it with you guys. I can't find it anywhere close. Okay, this is the picture here. Then you're going to hit OK. Okay, this is a picture without background. Okay, so let me just delete this as well. The reason why I'm doing this is so that the work will be faster. Okay, the video will be faster. Then this is my picture. So what I did next was to add a text, which is happy new month. But before then, let's see how it looks like from our main work. So I'm using a very tall text here, happy new month. You might not have it, so you can use whatever you have here. I'm going to make a video to show you how you can import text. Okay, how you can add text to your folder or to your workspace. But here are the default fonts that are here. When you click on this place here, the A icon, you're going to see. Hold on, let me just click here and add text. Okay, if you click this place, you're going to see text. You add text, then you double click it and you edit it. So I'll start with new month. New month. New month. Okay, and hit OK. So what you need to do here is you're going to look for a font. If you scroll down, make sure it is on this bar here, and you scroll down, you're going to see font. Okay, then try to look for a tall font. I don't know if you have it, but you can look for any tall font from your font, the one you have available. Okay, but as for me, I already have the font I want to use, which is I already added them, and I'm going to show you how to add them. If possible, I'm going to send the fonts to you so you can add. Okay, so the font I use is somewhere around here. Click on this place, add text, double click, happy new month, new month, new month. Okay, the font I use is somewhere around here. Font, as you can see, my fonts, I was the one who added these particular fonts that are here. Okay, so I used one of these fonts which I can't remember, but let me just check from recent. It should be this, I think, this 6 cap. It should be this. Yes, I just hope so. So if this should be the fonts, then so this is what I did. I will come to this folder here. This is it. You're going to hold it down and drag it beneath the text. Okay, the picture. I mean, now the font is behind the picture, as you can see. Good. Then you're going to change the color to this. But to get this particular color here, you're going to click on plus. Then you're going to click on this eyedrop. Then you're going to click on this image. Then you select the color from your image source. Okay. either from there or from the clothes, whatever one that you think is okay by you. Then you hit OK. Then you hit OK, as you can see. Okay, so this is how I achieve this particular one here. Then let me just delete them and delete this as well, so I can on the one from my job so you can see it. Good. So the one I put in is this. Okay, as you can see, Neomont behind the person. Then I now draw a black shape. Okay, this is how I did it. I come to shapes. Okay, I reduce the size, and I reduce the size again, and I made the color black. Okay, then I put it somewhere around here. Okay, as you can see, so I adjusted it this way. Okay, then I hit OK. Then I can come to text again and add the text I want to add, which is welcome to April. Welcome to April. Okay, and you hit OK. You change the fonts to the fonts you think is best for you. As for me, I use this particular font here, and I made my text color white. Okay, so now I adjusted it down to this place. So that's basically what I did. Okay, so let me just go back and delete this as well. So this is from my main work. I don't want to scatter it, so this is it, as you can see. Then I now put in happy. Okay, I put another text which is happy, as you can see it, and I now gave it a white stroke. After putting the text, I gave it a white stroke, which is this. If you check my video, you're going to see it. This is the white stroke I gave it. If I should lock it, it disappeared. If I bring it, it appears back. As simple as that. Then what else did I do? I covered the background. Okay, because this picture here was hanging, as you can see. Without this, is hanging. So I just put this so that it will cover this particular space beneath. Okay, so that's how to do it. And I still went on and added another effect. I added another effect to this text, which is this. Okay, and how to achieve this effect is you're going to go to shape. So let me just remove this. Sorry, let me show you how I got to get this effect. What I did was go to plus shape, right? Change the shape to cycle. Then I went down to color and I click on gradient, so you can see gradients in different colors. But what I did was just go to plus. Okay, then I go to plus. I navigated it this way. Okay, so now the yellow part. So this is what you're going to see. So you're going to click on this part and click on this fill. You're going to make it white. That's the top part. Sorry, you're going to make it transparent. See, transparent. Then the down part, you're going to click on this arrow here, and you're going to click fill. Then you're going to make it white. Okay, then you click OK. Then you're going to drag it down to this place. Okay, and hit OK. So this is what you have gotten. So what you need to do is to stretch it this way and this way. Stretch it downward. Okay, as you can see, but it is above the picture. So what you need to do is from up here, you're going to drag it beneath the picture. It should be above the text, to be precise, the Happy New Month text. Okay, as you can see. Then what you need to do is to reduce the opacity. From this place here, you're going to reduce the opacity. The opacity means the concentration. You're going to reduce it. Okay, and you hit OK. So that's how to achieve that. So let me delete this and on the one I did, which is this. Okay, so that's it. Then when I put in this particular shape here, this one, I had to put a gradient map on it again. So I use the same format of method that I used for that, which is color. After creating the shape, I use color, then gradient map. Okay, I use this to do it. I created this gradient map myself. Then what I did next was to add some text on it, and I added this text, and the next thing I added my logo. Okay, and this is how I achieve the whole design, as you can see. Okay, so that's the end for this video. Give it a try and send it to my DM.